Welcome! If you want to activate one-hand mode in your Samsung Galaxy A60, for the first, go for the settings. Right now let's scroll down, click on the advanced features, then scroll down again and tap on the one-handed mode. We use this switcher to activate it, and right now we have to select gesture or the button. I'm going for the button, and right now when we double tap the home button we are going to enter one-hand mode. And if you want to move it on the left side, just use this arrow, and if you want to exit you have to click on the arrow on the outside. And this is how it works. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.